It's empty. Is it? Oh my god! Alright, you guys, so we're on Dyers Lane. There's a lot of sketchy activity in the first, like 10 seconds we've been on this road. So we're going to this abandoned, burnt down place, and we're gonna see what's there. I'm not sure if there's gonna be much, but I guess we're gonna see what we can find, yeah? Yeah, alright.
What's going on, guys? I'm Dan.
I'm Trav.
And welcome back to another video. We're doing a vlog, episode 2. Where are we at again? We're at some like weird ass road or something.
Yeah, we're on a road called Dyers Lane. And basically what that is, it's a long stretch of road that no one lives on anymore. And you can't really see, it's way too dark, but right outside there is an old, abandoned, burnt down house that has been burnt down for a very long time. So we're gonna go check it out and see if there's anything exciting.
And I heard you said something about like a woman in white around these parts. Like, what does that mean?
So for those of you who don't know what a woman in white is, it's basically a female spirit that is usually seen in long white gown, and she's usually walking on the side of busy roads or anything like that. And she has been known to be seen walking up and down these roads. So hopefully we see her. Or not.
Yeah.
Okay. So I guess we're gonna get this vlog started.
All right, let's go. Grabbing my trusty steed for the journey, just in case somebody attacks us.
Introduce him. His name's Scrappy.
His name is Scrappy. Yes, it is.
All right.
All right, let's go. Yeah, what's going on?
Ooh, what's that?
What? Ah, shit. I guess the woman in white will know where we're at.
Private property.
Oh, fuck. All right, I guess we're trespassing.
Please, nobody like try to scare me.
Nobody's in scared.
To Travis.
Are you hitting it?
Yeah.
Scrappy, come on. He's not the enemy. No, he's supposed to find the enemy. You smell a woman in white, Scrappy?
Stop.
Alright. I'm getting closer. Don't know if you can see it, but it's right over the horizon.
Right over yonder.
No. Well, hopefully
Oh
not.
shit, I dropped my car keys. Can you guys find it for me?
I'm not going back to you.
Just kidding.
What if somebody's here? What do we do?
It depends on how they react.
You know what we're gonna do? You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna say, back off.
Did you honestly bring a fucking knife? That's just gonna get us in more unnecessary trouble.
Stab and run.
Just stab the owner of this place. Just fucking run.
He's like some sweet old man that scared you. So we have to walk through this tall ass grass.
Ew, it's so wet. Sprinklers?
Yeah.
Oh, so it is kept up then.
Oh yeah, apparently the grass around. Was this true? I'm not gonna worry about it.
All right.
I guess we have a trail, boys. Ladies and gentlemen. I said boys. I didn't mean to.
You know we have all genders looking at us right now.
It's true. Hey, I can't see Scotty. Calm down.
What is he doing? He found something. What is it, boy?
Not again, bro. We've talked about this.
Oh, you just look like that.
Why are you making eye contact, Scrappy? That's fucking creepy.
Ew.
Have you guys seen that movie Jeepers Creepers?
Yes, and Daniel just watched it recently. He got hella scared.
Bro, watch. You're gonna see like him pop up from this tall ass grass.
He's gonna catch.
Well, we gotta hear this song first.
No, shut up.
Jeepers Creepers. Where'd you get them to?
Oh, look! What a pleasant surprise.
Keepers?
Also, over here, I saw online that there are people like killing goats for sacrifices.
Yeah, fucking weird ass people come up here.
Jesus Christ.
This place is sketchy.
Paint cans.
Too many paint buckets here. Wait, those are nooses right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, they were.
Why does that one have a piece of hair on it? Where? That one.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Don't think about it too much. Just move past it.
So this place burnt down, like, why did it burn down? Like,
Well,
what's
this
the
place
history?
was burnt down before I even moved here, which was like 8 years ago.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I have like a request. Can we not
I'm
stay
not
here this
stripping.
long?
What? Oh, yeah. Okay, cool.
I'm
Well,
scared.
Are you scared? We got
Yeah.
you.
I guess you can't keep up with us.
Not the thought. Alright, we can do this.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna just
Here.
like any other white person and check around.
See something dangerous? Go for it.
Yes, I will.
Oh, that's dangerous.
What is that?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
There's also a toilet. Where is it?
Right here.
Stop. I want to go.
Did you hear that? Wait.
Yeah.
Is someone at your car?
Are you guys kidding?
Let me scare him.
Are you guys kidding?
No, I'm not kidding.
I'm about to fucking kill you. Somebody actually there?
No.
You want me to go and check?
Why are you saying this to me?
No, I'm just not trying to scare you. I swear to God. Everyone just calm down. It's an abandoned house. There's nothing creepy around here. Okay, I promise.
I enjoy my life.
Oh, don't worry, guys. I got you.
It's fine.
I want to make it to the senior ages, please.
We got you.
What is that over there? Someone go open it.
What?
Oh shit.
Like a suitcase.
Okay.
Oh fuck.
This looks like a job for Travis Thoughty.
Scrappy. Wait, what's in there, bro?
I don't know. It feels empty.
Is it? Oh my god.
What is that?
Bro.
It's just a fucking box, bro.
Is it a book?
What's up?
Come
Looks
here.
like an old sunglass holder.
Open it.
What is that?
Is it a ghosty?
I don't
It's
know.
a ghosty in a box.
Oh shit.
Wait, no, keep it.
I don't keep it.
Yeah.
You keep it. I'm not keeping
I
it.
mean, that's if we actually found something.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, let's go back to the car now.
Where's its arms and why is it dressed in white?
Shush, I'm feeling a bit nervous.
Woman in white.
Time to go.
I swear to God. Okay.
Let's go.
I'm leaving.
Bro, we find a fucking doll. What the hell?
Bro, you're keeping this at your place.
It's in the garage.
Why am I? What? I'm not keeping that cursed thing. We gotta take a closer look.
Stop jingling your keys.
What? Can you record us?
I'm trying to get the fuck
She's
out
trying
of
to
here.
fuck it out of you.
Scrappy has the right idea.
Well, I mean, if we heard the noise from that way, don't you think it would be safer to be, behind?
No.
Be
We're gonna
behind us?
ambush them.
We can't see.
Oh yeah, ambush. We're charging toward them with 2 flashlights.
Right?
How do you guys feel about the find?
I'm creeped out because like
I don't like
I
it.
heard noises when we were getting closer to it.
I don't
too.
like it.
That's a lot, man.
Bro, our breath.
There.
Hello?
Is there someone there?
Hello? What are you doing?
Hey. I can't tell if he's joking, but... Okay.
So I asked. I am not recording.
Wait.
I heard dogs.
It's not dogs. I hear voices.
hellhounds.
Okay.
Go.
I heard the urban legend. No, we have to be out here. Give me the doll, man. Hold him.
Put the dog in the car, please.
Fine, I'll put him in the car. Come on, buddy, get in. You're okay. All right, give me the doll. Finally.
Let's
I'm kidding. Nah.
Inspect it.
Okay. It's like hella dusty and old as fuck, dude. Okay.
She's kind of cute.
And it has like, look at these cheap ass made clothing.
What's it smell like?
It smells like dust, bro.
What does that smell
Is
like?
there any like writing?
Is it strapped in there?
Yeah, there's like a little belt thing over it.
Wait, I heard that if you unstrap a doll out of its box, she comes for you.
Okay, well, I'm lonely.
Bro. Wait.
Do her eyes open? Fuck
The
that.
hell?
Yeah.
Fuck that twice on a Tuesday.
Wait a minute. What if
This-
I
this is
hold
gonna
her
be
up like this? That means that,
Annabelle, bro.
bro, I think if you hold it up like this, you awaken her.
Awaken her.
Stop.
What you looking at, bro?
Hey!
You're making me like antsy.
Yeah,
What are
by the way,
looking
you
Bro.
need to like tell us when you're doing this.
Yeah, bro, because I was ready to fight someone walking up to this car.
Literally,
Hey.
he thought it was.
Hey, woman in white. My friend thinks you're cute. Come out, come out.
Why do you
Or
keep
you'll
saying
be a
your
brute.
friend, bro? You can't.
Because
I'll smash.
He's named Travis Thought for a reason.
Hummina, hummina, hummina.
Stop.
She burst into flames. Okay, but on like real talk, are we keeping that or are we leaving it here?
But yes, unless I hear voices at night or see some paranormal shit, that's when I'll throw it away. But
Okay.
nonetheless, I'll keep it.
Okay, well, just because I know these two are like scared, I'm talking to our 11 subscribers.
Yes.
Right now. 11. We're climbing.
Subscribe if you're enjoying this shit, because we're literally risking our lives.
If you guys, if all 11 of you like this video, we're coming back here with a Ouija board. That's just what it is.
At exactly 3 a.m. too.
The witching hour?
Yeah.
I'm down.
If I get possessed.
Vlog footage.
Are you serious? Y'all just throwing me like for your 11 views?
Hell yeah.
Oh,
Maybe more.
I'll do it for the team.
Spread the word on this channel.
Dyers Lane Part 2, Ouija board edition with the doll.
Oh yes, we'll bring the doll
Or
too.
put her in the middle or something, and like
Well,
try to connect with this thing.
It would be hard for the ghost to spell shit with a doll on the board.
No, I'm saying like just
Did you guys hear that? Over there.
hold on.
There's actually like metal scraping.
Bro, you guys so
What?
popping that shit out.
Shit.
You're about to cut yourself.
Wait a minute. We have a
What?
clue here. Someone's probably playing a prank on us. They probably planted the doll. They knew we were coming.
Oh.
Show yourself.
Ashton Kutcher, come out. Get the fuck out. This is a prank.
Alright guys, well, we've waited here for about 20 minutes. Nothing happened. I tried summoning the doll.
We should Google how to summon a woman in white.
Or not. Oh, what is that?
It's a hellhound, I told you.
What is that?
Please.